Hi, my name is Hetal, and in this video, we are going to talk about session recordings. In session recordings, basically, we can record our visitors' interaction with our website. And later on, you can play these session recordings to view how they were interacting with the website. For example, what is the journey that they go through on the website? Which elements are they clicking? How are they scrolling on the page? And what are the different types of other behaviors that they are performing? So, this way, session recordings are going to help us to view the interaction. So we get to see the location of the visitors, from which source that they're coming. So here, for example, direct means that they were aware about what to enter in the URL and they enter the exact URL. If they're coming from Google, it would be like google.com. So this way, the different source would be available over here. How many pages they have interacted within that specific session, what is the duration of the recording, which device type, browser, operating system do they come from. You can create observations for each of the session recordings and view them here. Which date and time was a specific session recording created? Once you have viewed a specific session recording, a viewed mark would be updated. You can also share this link with anyone you wish to watch the specific session recording, download this in your local system. You can delete the session recording, and you also get an option to save a session recording. The purpose to save a session recording is that you get to see data retention on your session recordings dashboard. With this, what exactly we mean is that after this specific date has been expired, a session recording will be deleted. Right. So suppose this was captured on 2nd of March. So which means this session recording will be deleted after 30 days. Now, if you don't want the session recording to be deleted, you can save this. And once it enters the saved options, then this will never be deleted unless and until you manually delete this session recording. You get to see how many sessions were captured, totally how many pages were captured in terms of these different session recordings. You can filter the data based on the date range, different segmentation options. Then we also have something called as report specific filters. So these are the different options available for you to segregate your data. You can also create views in session recordings. So what is the purpose of creating a view is that, let's say you want to check a session recording for a specific location, right? So you can enter the URL of the pages or make sure that you're including your entire website and then selecting the specific location of which you want to track the recordings for. And once a specific view has been created, you will have to start the view. This way, you will be able to use the views and look at the session recording only for those specific segments that you have created. If you wish to any kind of modifications under settings in terms of session recordings, you can use the configurations tab, whitelist any of the specific elements you wish to, right? Exclude URLs if you don't want those URLs to become a part of the session recordings. Now, once a smart code has been installed on the web pages, we have to come to the session recording. And for the very first time, we get to see an option to enable the session recording and we have to start collecting the data. So for example, if I switch to another account where I can show you that for the first time, the session recordings dashboard would look something like this. You'll have to click on enable and configure. Once you enable and configure this for the first time, right, and you get to see the option that the data starts getting collected, right? So this is the time you have to do as a first time setup. And once this is done, as long as the smart code is present on your web pages, the session recordings will keep getting captured. Thank you for watching this.